Are you worrying how to plan your career along with college or along with your job? If yes, now we are at Unacademy conducting a workshop to fulfill your needs. This Sunday at 5 p.m., a career planning workshop is going to be conducted for college going students, for job going students. Those who need to plan their career towards GATE and ESC or towards cracking government job. This workshop is very, very helpful. Do join with me this Sunday 5 p.m. Link is available in the description. Along with this workshop, you are going to get a certificate of career planning workshop from Unacademy and top last 10-year GATE and ESC PYQs. Along with that, interview kit. So guys, let's achieve it.